Welcome to our guide on resources for your classic car dealership business. Whether you're restoring, maintaining, or selling classic cars, we've got you covered. First, let's dive into some essential books. The Classic Car Book by RM Auctions and The Complete Book of Classic Car Restoration by David L. Lewis are must-reads. For those who prefer listening, check out the Classic Car Podcast and the Collectible Car Podcast. These podcasts offer valuable insights and interviews with industry professionals. YouTube is another great resource. Videos like How to Restore a Classic Car by Classic Car Restoration and Classic Car Maintenance Tips by Hemmings provide practical advice. AI tools can also be incredibly helpful. The Classic Car Price Guide and Classic Car Restoration Cost Calculator offer precise estimates and pricing information. For authentication and marketplace needs, consider using the Classic Car Authenticator and Classic Car Marketplace. These tools ensure authenticity and connect buyers and sellers. If you're looking to deepen your knowledge, online courses like Classic Car Restoration 101 SA by Udemy and Classic Car Maintenance and Repair by Coursera are excellent options. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you succeed in your classic car dealership business. Happy restoring, maintaining, and selling.